Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to log out from Instagram account. In order to log out from your Instagram account, first of all, update the application. For that, go to your Play Store and then on the search box, type in Instagram. And instead of open, if you see update, which means that the application needs to be updated, and after updating the application, click on the open button. Once you open up your application, this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on this page, go to your profile icon located right at the bottom. This is going to take you to the profile page. Over here, tap on the try bar icon located right on top, and from the drop down menu, scroll down right to the bottom, and from the lower half of the screen, click on settings. Now this is going to take you to the settings page. So over here, scroll down right to the bottom. If you have multiple accounts and you want to log out of all the multiple accounts, then click on log out of all accounts, or simply tap on the particular account that you wish to log out. So click on log out of this particular account, click on the log out button, and then you'll be logged into your account. So then to log into your account, you'll need to provide in your credential. Only then you'll be logged into your account. So this is basically how simple it is to log out of your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.